morning feels right. I packed extra snacks. We'll do this right. Easy, nice and steady. This one's genius.
The forest is listening.
Fishing team, ready! Nothing forgotten. All right, let's go. Follow the quiet path. This road feels like it's leading somewhere special. It's getting quieter, in a good way. I think we're getting close.
This is where the pond rests.
It's really peaceful. Okay, let's set up smart. All right, nice and easy.
Patience lets the water speak.
So, how long does patience usually take? Sometimes the waiting is the best part. Did you see that?
Still, let it come to us.
Oh, false alarm.
The pond answers softness with softness.
Okay, slow and quiet. Wait, this feels real. I can pull it up right now, I think. Easy. Let the line work. It's fighting back. I've got you. Slow and steady.
The moment changes when we stay calm.
I can see it, just a little. Hold! Not yet. Easy now. We're almost there. Wow! It's beautiful!
The pond gives and asks us to choose.
We let it go. That's the right catch today.
Feels right, doesn't it? I didn't think waiting could feel this good.
Patience is not waiting for something to happen. It's knowing when not to act.
I may still be hungry.
This might be the best catch today.
The day is teaching us when to begin, Owen, and when to return.
Thanks for the lesson. Funny how the walk back feels lighter. Feels like a good ending to a good day.
Everyone set?
Smooth start. I like that. Let's head home.
Some places teach us, even after we leave.
Feels good heading back like this. Next time, I'll wait even longer.
Didn't catch a fish, but I think I caught the feeling. I didn't need to lead harder today, just steadier.
Steady is how trust grows.
Guess fixing things isn't about rushing either.
I like days that don't rush me.
We're almost there.
Home always feels quieter.
Good trips make quiet endings.
Patience doesn't hurry the moment. It lets the moment arrive.
Guess the snacks were the real catch.
I hope we remember this kind of day.
The forest gives lessons when we're ready to hear them.
Worth the wait.
Best kind of tired. Same time tomorrow?
Until the next adventure.